16, 17, you and me are meant to be. And I can't say I understand, I just wanna hold your hand.
Good morning! Wow, here's our floating breakfast here at Lavender Villa and Spa. And look at our pool. Thank you guys!
The kind of love is right now. I really feel I am flying, releasing my troubles. And although you're so far, I really feel we're entwined. We'll wait till it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far, looking at each other and knowing how we've been through a lifetime. Here we are now. Oh, we made it this far. You'll do what you need, I'll sing me.
A few moments later.
Guys, kakatapos lang namin magbihis and we are now on our way to the restaurant where we are gonna be having our first wedding anniversary romantic dinner. So
We'll be in the beach, guys.
yeah.
And we're trying to catch the sunset.
Yeah, sana mabutan natin yung sunset. Let's go. Ano kuya? Good afternoon. Let's go.
What's the name of the romantic dinner, kuya? What's the name of the place?
Jimbaran Bay.
Jimbaran.
Jimbaran Bay.
Okay. So how many minutes from here?
With including traffic, I think less than 30 minutes,
Okay.
25.
But we can still catch the sunset.
Yes, for sure.
Alright.
Yay!
Yay! Let's go!
We are super excited to catch our first sunset. I mean, no, it's the second sunset already, no? Here in Bali, Indonesia. So, yes, guys, let's go.
I remember this place, oh.
See?
It's
With
a
your
mall,
ex?
right? Buang! Kuya Sura!
Sa harap.
Sa harap! Alright guys, so we're now here sa Jimbaran Bay, specifically here sa Sunshine 88 guys. So we will have our romantic dinner here. Oh, look at this guys. Happy anniversary! Friendly Bali tour. Thank you for arranging this, Kuya Sura!
So, guys, we are here at Sunshine 88.
Here in Jimbaran Bay.
Yeah, Jimbaran Bay. And look at the background, guys. Wow, so nice. It's sunset, guys, but a little bit cloudy, right? So that is why it's not really, clear right now. But yeah, still perfect, guys. With the sound of the waves, guys, and you're gonna have dinner here. It's really, really perfect, no? Plus the setup, guys, is really nice. Thanks to Kuya Sura of Friendly Bali Tour
for helping us arrange this, guys.
Yeah.
He booked on behalf of us.
Yeah. Yay! Happy anniversary!
Outfit check, guys. I'm wearing black long dress.
Well, I'm wearing brown or dark brown, the necklace and watch.
We have fresh buku and candlelight. My husband is there, guys. He's coming here.
So this is how the setup looks like, guys, and right here. If you guys haven't seen it yet, it is shaped like a heart, and we have here some pink petals and red petals, and I'm not sure what you call this flower, but yeah. And also guys, we have here some grass. And actually a kid just ruined our anniversary dedication greeting here, guys. Right, babe?
Yeah. So
He ruined our day.
Satu, dua, tiga. Oke. Satu, dua, tiga.
So much.
thank you.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
So our food is here, guys. It's actually a seafood platter, and he's not fan of seafood.
Yeah,
But
I don't really like fish, guys, to be honest, but we can eat the calamares. It has the
babe,
calamares, guys.
we can order, babe. Let's order. Let's get their menu.
Pwede tong add.
Yeah.
Eat, guys. Let's go. Happy number 3. Well guys, mahilig sila dito sa manghang and also garlic. Kadalasan sa mga menu din, no? Since last night, may mga garlic talaga and also garlic butter. So, sobrang sarap din naman, guys. Especially ngayon, meron kaming calamares dito. Pwede mo siyang i-dip dito sa spicy na sauce, and then meron din siyang garlic butter. And it's really good. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, sound of the waves, very relaxing where you're having dinner here. So nice. In fact, it would be this big, guys. Look at that. And they call it fried chicken, but yeah, this is how it looks like.
Half whole.
Yeah, I think that's a half fried chicken. Since Daisy is right now killing all of the seafoods that I have on plate. Since I don't really eat fish, guys, so yeah. Actually guys, kumakain naman ako ng fish, pero not all the time talaga. And depende rin sa mood ko, guys. And nung nasa nasa bahay pa kami ni Daisy sa kanila, kumain ako ng fish. Hindi talaga ako makapala, guys, kasi andun din yung parents niya. Baka ma-disappoint sila. And nung time na yun is mag-girlfriend and boyfriend pa lang tayo, babe, no?
Tapos
Talaga,
everyday,
paano,
guys, every meal namin, isda yung
Puro
pagkain
isda.
namin.
Like, meron ding,
That's
puffer
my favorite.
fish, babe, no? Or ang tawag doon, yung shawan. Siya yung nag-i-enjoy ngayon, guys, sa seafood na namin. And nag-order na lang ako ng separate na chicken. So, yeah. And guys, another info din. And yung masasabi namin about dito sa mga restaurant, dito sa Indonesia so far. It's been our second day, guys, pero ganun pa rin yung guys, babe, no, yung mga staff, like super friendly nila, and lahat ng mga needs mo talagang i-cater nila lahat ng mga needs mo without hesitation. Ayun yung isa sa mga na-appreciate namin, na kahit saan kami magpunta, parang feeling namin welcome kami sa sa lugar nila. So yun.
That's why si Kuya Sura,
Yeah, welcoming, very friendly.
Mga taga-Pasig.
And also, guys, apart from that, apart from hospitality then, their foods here, guys, are also really, really delicious. And also, guys, budget friendly lang din sila, or affordable. Hindi overpriced. And para sa amin, guys, sulit talaga sila lahat, no? Yung sa price, based sa price. And compared sa mga nakain namin sa Singapore, guys, gaya ng sinabi ni Mrs. Castro na kasama namin or friend namin, hindi talaga medyo masarap yung mga foods dun sa Singapore, and at the same time, mahal din siya or pricey. So, kabaliktaran dito, guys. Mura-mura yung mga ulam dito, pero sobrang sarap. Hindi mo i-expect na ganun siya kasarap, and yung presentation din ng food, maganda din yung presentation ng food. Kapag magpa-price na siya ng mga 60,000 rupiah, babe, no, mga ganun. Masarap na talaga yun, guys.
60 to
Yeah,
100.
60 to 100,000 rupiah.
the next morning.
Good morning, guys. So we're about to check out Lavender Villa and Spa, and as promised, guys, I want to give you a quick room tour. So before we head out, guys, to our tour, so let me tour you around here. So this is the bed. It's very huge. So dito, guys, meron siyang pa-backdrop. And then here, guys, we have a TV, and then ang daming lamok, guys.
Yeah.
Grabe. And then, kaya siguro nilagyan nila nito, no? Para ano. And then dito, guys, meron siyang mini refrigerator. And then, oh, tingnan niyo yung lamok, guys. Here, guys, in our bathroom, we have a bathtub. Ang laki din ng bathroom niya, guys. And then, ito, meron towel, and then shower room. And then this one here, wash up and everything. And then dito yung toilet, guys. Ngayon lang, meron siyang mga complementary na mga toiletries na kasama. Pero hindi namin ginamit. And then meron din ditong heater, and then cup, and mga baso. And then dito, guys, meron ditong saksakan, meron ditong
Vanity mirror.
oh.
Pero guys, yung ilaw dito sa banda, hindi siya
Hindi
gumagana.
gumagana.
So, ayan.
And then ito, meron siya aircon, guys. And then here, let's go outside. So, pasensya na sa kalat, guys. Kasi 2 days na kami dito. So, this is the private pool. So, nag-request kami, guys, nalagyan ng mga flower decoration for our anniversary. And then, yeah. Tingnan niyo yung buong lugar, guys. So,
Meron din siyang parang swing dito. And ayan.
although, like, parang flat na siya. So, nabook ko pala to, guys, sa Agoda. Around 3,500 per night. Pero sa mga villa na nakita ko sa sa online, ito yung may pinaka parang hindi siya masyadong kamahal. So yun, guys, yun lang yung quick tour natin. So ayun, guys, pupunta na kami kasi naghihintay na si Kuya Sura. So let's go. Meron pala akong spa dito, guys. Oh, Daisy Spa. Good morning!
Hindi ako nakatulog. Nakakainis siya.